Hey guys, welcome to another video of Airsoft Gun India. And before the video start, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about 10 things, 10 stuff that you don't need to do with a CO2 gun, and you should never do with a CO2 gun. So without any particular order, here are those. Number one, do not point CO2 guns to anyone. Never in your life you need to point a gun to anyone. Don't point a gun to someone. It may misfire, it may hurt someone, and you never know how the person will react to it. So if you have a CO2 gun and you point it to someone who don't know that this is a CO2 gun, maybe he will react in a very different way and it can harm you. Number two, do not show off in public. Do not put this gun on your waist and roam around publicly, because people may think that you are holding a real firearm and they may complain about you. They may complain the police. If someone will see that, you never know. Or maybe if a police guy watches you, you never know how will they react. So do not show off in publicly. If you need to carry this gun around, carry it in a gun box. If you order a gun like this, always buy a gun box and always carry your CO2 gun in a gun box. Number three, do not store this gun outside where some children can access it, or someone in your family who don't know how to use it, they access it. Always store your gun in a gun box and then keep it in a gun safe or in an almirah where children can't access it. Number four, this was the four. Number five, do not tight the CO2 so hard. Or too hard. There are people who tight a CO2 in a certain way that it can break the pin. So whenever you are using, or when you are loading a CO2, try to be gentle and do not force it, else it may damage your gun. Another thing, do not keep a CO2 in your gun too long. I have seen people who load a CO2, do few shots, and then they keep their gun for way too long. Mind it. It may cause leakage in the gun and it may damage your gun permanently, and it is next to impossible to repair a CO2 gun in India. So do not do this mistake. Do not open this gun or modify it. Guys, the next point is very particular for the people. If you have any issue, make sure you show it to the professional. Do not try to open this gun, try to fix it by yourself. You will damage your gun. That's my guarantee. You're not an expert, and if you open this gun, it will be really hard for you to to put it back, and there are chances that you will destroy this gun. Do not, next point is very, very, very important. I can't emphasize on it. Do not remove this sticker or do not remove this marking that this is a .177 gun, because this is what it proves that this is an air gun and this is .177. If you remove the marking and if you remove the stuff, people will think that this is a real gun, and if the police will find it, they will try to put a arms act same as a real gun, and it will be hard for you to prove it because you have removed the marking. So never ever remove the markings from this gun. Number 9, do not use pointed pellet or a heavy pellet. This gun generally uses a flat pellet. Never use a pointed pellet in this gun, else or a heavy pellet. So if you use a heavy pellet, maybe this gun can't fire it, and there will be issue with your gun. So do not use a heavy pellet. The 10th point is very important, is that do not fire this gun if there is already a jammed pellet. If you fire this gun and a pellet get jammed, take a stick, a metal rod, and remove it. Don't fire another shot, because if you fire another shot, if there is 2 or 3 pellet that is jammed in the barrel of this gun or this gun, your whole gun will get destroyed. It will be very hard for even a gunsmith to remove the pellet. So never ever ever fire another shot if there is a jammed pellet or a BB in a gun. Removing one BB or pellet is easy, but removing a multiple shot is very hard. So always take care of that. So these are the 10 things that you need to keep in mind when you are using the CO2 gun. I hope this video helps you. I hope this makes a lot of sense to you. If you want to buy this gun, just go to the description and just order this. We deliver all over the country, and I hope you will subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Till then, guys, have fun.